In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily find your PayPal credit card number in just a few minutes. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to access your card information safely. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to the official PayPal website. Ensure that you're on the correct site to avoid any phishing scams and to keep your information secure. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the login button. You'll typically find this at the top right corner of the home page. Now enter your email address and password. It's crucial to ensure your login information is secure. Consider using a password manager if you haven't already. This will not only help you manage your passwords but also add an extra layer of security to your online accounts. After entering your credentials, go ahead and click on the login button to access your account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Pay and Get Paid section. This feature is generally found in the main navigation menu. This section is crucial as it brings you closer to your financial tools and settings within your PayPal account. Now direct your attention to the Wallet tab. This is the hub for all your financial instruments linked to PayPal. Clicking on this will give you an overview of your funds, as well as any linked bank accounts or credit cards you have associated with your PayPal account. Inside the wallet section, look for the button labelled Banks and Cards. Click on this and you'll be directed to a page that lists all your linked banks and cards. If you have a PayPal credit card linked, this is where you will locate it. Seeing all your financial tools in one place is a handy feature for managing your finances seamlessly. Once you've located your PayPal credit card in the list, you'll notice an eye icon or possibly a copy option situated right next to the card details. This feature is designed with user convenience in mind, making it easier to access your information when needed. All you need to do now is tap on that eye icon or the copy option. Doing so will reveal or let you copy the 16-digit card number. Keep in mind that it's important to manage this sensitive information carefully and only share your card details with trusted parties. And there you have it, you've now successfully accessed your PayPal credit card number. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage and retrieve your card information whenever necessary. Be sure to log out of your account once you're done to maintain your account's security. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy guides.